This is very interesting geometrical problem where ABC is a right angle triangle. Length of AB equals A unit and length of AC B unit and length of BC C. DEFG is a square. D lies on AC, E lies on AB and FG lies on BC. The length of each side equals to x. Then we have to calculate the formula, the value of x. How can we find the value? This is x equals ABC divided by a square plus AB plus b square. This is very interesting, and this formula will help students to solve different kind of hard problems that in general take a lot of time, but if they remember this formula and at first they can do understand this method, then we will be able to solve the harder problem in few seconds. At first we have to discuss on this topic how to calculate this formula, and then we will explain an example very interesting. Okay, let CG equals MGF. Already we have taken get the value of let the value x and let FB equal n, and the angle B ABC equals theta. Then what happens? Since theta, so tan theta from the triangle ABC, we can write tan theta height divided by base. That means AC by AB. Value of AC equals C. We have already at first let AB equals A, AC equal B, and BC equals C. At first we have taken it. So AC means B by A. This is B and this is A. From triangle BEF we also can find tan theta. What is? From triangle BEF we can write tan theta. In this respect, theta, this is height and this is base. So EF equal BF. Value of EF equals x, and the value of BF equals n. So what can we write? Tan theta, this is tan theta, this is. So B x by n equal B by A. So we have to find n from this. N equals Ax by B. Easily you can write this n equal Ax by B. Similarly, we have to find the value of m in the same way. So students can easily calculate the value of m in the just in this way. Okay, let this is beta. In the same way, in short, I can write the equation tan beta from the triangle of ABC equals AB by AC, that means A by B, and tan beta from the triangle of DCG, tan beta equals this is height and this is base, x by m. Clear? So tan beta, this is tan beta, this is. So x by m equals A by B, that means m equal bx by A. This is very interesting. When n x by AB, when m, this is bx by A. Now the main points, m, this is x and this is n. So m equals this, n equals this. So we can write m plus x plus n, that means BC. Okay, BC equals x, we have already let it. So BC, value of BC equals m plus x GF and plus n BF equals C. So we can put the value of m and n here. Value of m bx by a x, already we have again ax by b equals a. This is theoretical part, so this may take some time. Okay, just take common x, b by a plus 1, a by b equals c. This is a very simple calculation. You can write this very easily. Check it. You can write this a square ab plus b square by ab equals c. That means value of x, this will reverse here, a b c square plus ab plus b square. So you have to remember this formula to solve harder problem in few minutes, not few minutes, in few seconds. So we have to check an example, very easy example. You can use this formula. Okay, so this is an example of our theoretical part. The question is given here, ABC is a right angle triangle, angle A equals 90 degree, and this is isosceles. So AB equals AC. Okay, and DEFG is a square. So we have to find the ratio of area of this square with this triangle ABC. How can we find the ratio? Let the side of each side of this square is x. If AB equals A, we have already got it. AC equals B and BC equals C. Then what is the value of x? X equals ABC A square plus AB plus B square. So this is, as it is a isosceles, or AB and AC equals. So from Pythagoras theorem, BC square equals AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square. So we can write it AB equals AC equals say whatever we write, m, just m. Then value of C, BC square equals, as per Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus AC square. BC square equals 2m square, m square plus m square, 2m square. That means BC equals root 2m. Clear? So value of C equals root 2m. A, B, A, C all are equals, so we can write it m, that means A equals B equals m from this part. Okay, I think it is not so hard. So A m, B m, C root 2m, A square m square, AB m square, B square means m square. What will come? Just check it. At the upper side it comes m cube, underside 3m square, root 2 m cube. What will be? Root 2m by 3. This is the value of x. So the area of the square, x square, that means square of this 2m square by 9. Clear? Square of this is. And what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC, half AB into AC. AB equals M, AC equals M, that means M square by 2. So we have got it. What is the ratio? Square 2M square by 9. 2M square by 9. And the area of the triangle M square by 2. M square by 2. Simplify it, you will find very easily. Multiple both side, 9 into 2, that means multiple both side by 18. Then you will come 4 is to 9. This is our answer. So we have just used this formula and calculate it. There are another option to solve this problem, but this problem will help the students in the matter of when the triangle ABC is not isosceles. Since it's isosceles, we have applied this formula, and there is another way to solve this problem without using this. When a student can remember this formula, he can easily solve it. Okay.